At the top, click on the title box. Now you can rename this to whatever you wish. And once you click off, the title of this design is automatically saved. This goes the same for projects. If you're looking to add a folder, you can go to projects, and at the right hand side, click on the add new button. Then you can add a new folder, title the folder however you wish. And once you're done, just click create folder. And now you see that this folder has been created. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.